Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my cups and lashes haul. So friends, from long time I haven't shopped anything from cups and lashes, and that is really a very good website for affordable makeup. So I thought of buying some makeup products this time, and this month is also my birthday month. So I was so much excited to buy some products for myself and to give to myself. So that's why I bought little bit of makeup from cups and lashes. And also the SFR color brand was on very good discount. There was some 15, I think some 15% discount on SFR color products. So I took some products from SFR color and also one product from Swiss Beauty and Malio. So these are all the brands that are very affordable and really very good quality. So I thought of purchasing some of the products from them. If you want to enjoy such type of haul videos regularly, then please subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and also hit the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my videos. And also please give it a big like and share. So let's get started and see what all products I bought from Cups and Lashes. So first you can see this is my first product. This is SFR color, the City Mini Eyeshadow Palette, and I have this shade 01 with me. So you can see this particular palette. This is so cute, so small. I just love the packaging so much. And guys, can you guess the price of this eyeshadow palette? It is only rupees 150. I mean, only rupees 150. Seriously? So for 150, what we get? If we order anything to eat also, so 150 rupees is gone in a single transaction. So 150 is very less. So for that I've got a good eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow only I am wearing on my eyes right now. You can see I've created this look using this palette only, and it is a very highly pigmented palette and very lovely shades are there. So friends, I thought of just sharing the close up. You can see the shades, they're so pretty, so gorgeous. There are also metallic shades, there are very beautiful golden shades, bronzy shades in this palette, and this green is absolutely gorgeous, and this golden is also my love. It is such a beautiful shade. I just love this palette so much. So definitely I'm going to do a full review of this palette and I'll be sharing with you the details, so stay tuned for that. So the next product that I have is from Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I'm in the shade 03 Light Moen, and this is my shade. And I just love this particular concealer so much. It is very affordable, and at the same time it gives such good coverage, very creamy, and this concealer also does not creases that much, so I love it so much. So actually the MRP is increased. It was 169 before, so now the MRP is rupees 199, but I have got this concealer for only rupees 175 from Cups and Lashes. And this is also one of my favorite concealers, and that's why I thought of purchasing it once again. I have stocked up, actually I already have one with me. So you can see this is the packaging, and this is a very good concealer, and I highly recommend to you all. So next product is also from SFR color. This is SFR color matte compact powder, and this is the shade 01, which is for fair skin tones, and this is for only rupees 125. You won't believe it is buttery smooth, guys. You can see, and the coverage also I'll be showing. You can see, wow, it blends really good. So it blends effortlessly, and also it has very mild smell, which I like so much. And there is no puff given with this product actually, and there is also no mirror. So that is the only downside that I found, but also this product is really very affordable, and also there was some 15% discount, as I told you before. So I took it in a lesser price. So definitely I'm going to try this out and I'll let you know. Next I have taken two lipsticks from Blue Heaven, and this is Blue Heaven Special Matte Lip Color, you can see. And I have taken the shades 07 and 09. So definitely I will review these lipsticks for you all. So the price of these lipsticks is only rupees 65, guys. I can't believe like lipsticks are available for only rupees 65. So they're so cheap, so that's why I thought of buying them and trying them out. And already I have seen reviews of these lipsticks online, and they were so good, so that's why I have bought them. So definitely I will share a review and the swatches of these lipsticks with you in my upcoming video. So next I've taken this Olivia liquid foundation in the shade 01 Satin Ivory. So this is the mini, you can see this is the mini bottle, and this is for I think only rupees 50, which is super duper affordable. And there is 12 grams of foundation in this, and this is also my perfect shade. So you can see it comes in a packaging like this. You can apply using this applicator. This particular foundation has really a very good coverage. It has a medium to high coverage, and it's really very good. So I will definitely use it in one of my tutorials and I will share with you. So next I have taken another product from Blue Heaven, that is Blue Heaven Cake Cruise, and this is a blush actually, and the MRP is only rupees 25. It is super cheap actually. It is so cheap. I mean, for only rupees 25 there is one blush available, that is also from my favorite brand, that is Blue Heaven. So I thought of trying this out, and I've heard so many good things about this blush, about the pigmentation, the finish, everything. And this one only I have used today on my face. You can see such a pretty shade, and it is a coral pink sort of shade, and I'll definitely show the shade to you. So it comes in a packaging like this. The packaging is very cute, very small, and you can see it comes in, there is a puff inside. You can definitely use this puff for any other purpose. No, obviously not to apply blush. For any other purpose you can use. And this is a plastic wrap, plastic sheet, and this is the shade. You can see it's a very beautiful coral pinky sort of shade, and it is very highly pigmented. You can see such a pretty shade, and also there is a little bit of smell, strong smell actually, but I like the smell. It is not at all bad. I just loved it, and definitely I'm going to use this product, and you can definitely use this product as an eyeshadow also. So the last product that I have is a very beautiful palette actually, that I wanted to share with you. So you can see, so this one I just wanted to buy from long time, but on online websites like Flipkart and Amazon it is available, but it is available at a very high price. So I just thought of buying this from Cups and Lashes, and the MRP, you won't believe, the MRP is only rupees 250. So that is very very cheap, and this is the shade 02, it is mentioned over here. And definitely I will be doing a full review of this product as well. And the packaging is so pretty guys, it is so pretty. And here in this palette there are 24 eyeshadows, 1 blush, 1 highlighter, 1 contour. There are 3 cream lip gloss and 3 eyebrow powder. So if you buy such type of palettes, and if you are a beginner, then definitely should try such type of palettes, because in one palette everything is present, starting from lipstick to contour to highlighter, compact, eyeshadows, blush, everything is there. So friends, you can see the packaging, and from inside there are 2 applicators given over here. There are 2 applicators given, one sponge tip applicator and 1 brush. And the shades, you can see I will be removing this shade. So this particular palette is having all the warm tone shade and neutral shades. There are everyday kind of shades that you can apply on a everyday basis and do your makeup. So friends, you can see there is a highlighter given over here. This is the compact shade, which is for fair skin tones. It's a pink blush given over here, and and down you can see there are 3 lip shades given over here, and these 3 towards the right are the eyebrow shades, are the eyebrow powders that are given. So overall friends, I like this so much, this particular palette, and definitely I will do a full review of this product, and I'll be showing you the swatches, and also I'll be doing eye makeup and applying on my face, and I'll be showing you the demo of this particular product. So friends, those are all the products that I've taken from Cups and Lashes. I hope you liked this haul, and also you enjoyed watching all the products that I've shown. So if you want to see full dedicated review of any of these products, then please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely do that for you all. Please take care of your family and yourself really well in this current situation. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.